the biya meka na ya so 3 days ebisi akatesi everyday abranti bi ba fiesa na naso wakanya ne se mama ke kawadwen kire no ke kawadwen kire no na hwe se ni oye no enye kwa woni me de abofra no enam so ne tiki kawadwen kire no ibisa ne nsamfo amiro efa bema no because na nyame adu ni bema na kasa dada sansam from ni na so no nam kan se wuni dia dan wo na sabi aburu wa adwuma o ma nam se ai we ya me yewo ne ayo tsana me yewo afisane ko phobia so se omuko ntoko no na otweda ade bia na ndo ofisia da to aso we ya me yewo ma de nam se wuni nsam fo anyini e de fa be man ma sendai na be man ka chewa utumi sabi ni ko woba 13 years oni aduane ne papa ba aduane na Fred e bro ben ni wo se wom sometimes when you touch a man binim tina obi kana sense my what time for no na odi yi obi nanu onyi ni so ochiro be yo onyi ni sabinya ma nyina na eni subantina be ma nwa wo mo enanya mema nyina so eni subantina ma wa na mu abofra na obedi mfimfi no wasra mu timi ma fa nchan kra idin djuma afi na eni kwan so okosa abe no kra no wo kwa no eni ma mesra kwan so besra kwan so ise sabu na wanye tiri na se unim sansam for we dia and I am sorry to say sabi utini ade kokoba ni didi banka nye baako di ntina wo se yewu kokonko suban no anya no na didi de ejan manfa nkudi nya o manka num sabiane yewu kom na dini nyina ofa aduane na nyina na di amna ka no to ni tumi so ye wodidi ana awofo an ka chobi se fanse ba ma na ewu ma den na kasa na mso ni ho fa bo so bo ye na iro duma homa o wan ko bu mo so o wan timase afu jan kwala no ko ye no no ko honum musumi ni macho ko hono ode ni sa guruti na nsusu a memi achew sadi opani so obe sore no akwa abontere no akwa na aba na bajiri do ye ya anya mi nu ntutia no sa na apese oto so ye ye manu nya ye wo ye manu nya ye sremu ye pa mu chew ye sremu baba akopɛ kura na da ya mi so bia homache adan a me ban papa no frɛ no mfam no se adan na mu yesi to ase kwan squat ade okoto bra ma no fia ba bia me tie na nkoko ja kora no to fie o am so bia soma mu adan na esa chicha sansem ya na kosu mo frɛ aya wo se man ko jan no fra no to papa no so say wakuni wakodam kra wakuade oni dia da cha bofa no ko bayo mo fa bra ya to mu gu abonten so no se do mu future timi ye fe no si enimu a kaya ya wo ba na ka ba ma so won hwe no a ana oba de jada man to abofa no to ba ma no so a e wo se ka ko no to na wade obi ko jai ne dia to ne ma me no so ko akitsikitsikitsikitsi onyini ankoni sane mametias ezefe
oh eleti Opemsuo etiofo nyina mama fat in fact hard papa enti papa ana wofo bia e wasede se akwada abofra odina ba wi asede obama no aduane adi mama no ba bia da no ama no atade ahye enti eba ne sen na aduane ho nti watimi abofra masabe wahwe ne nkwa
we jana sande na to
we dey in fact and try you kwa na ya na we fando do na kwa ese odo a yesi enyade ma nkwada no so ebi ni ho
we didn't batter no their friend ne papa di papa to their friend ba akora ne wa odin
sa enti ebia societal pressures ahochire bi hardship bi a wukom na eno no akola no de onye hwe enti aya awofo no enya agotre se bibi na asia unya agotre na o ma ho time na wa dwendwen ho a opakura
ho ko hwa akola no
opakura no wa free sin enti we abufo ka ho abufo bae ana say abufo so de eba na wugina so de atefe within 5 minutes no na de all person we na wa ya wiu but afina na wani ya de aba ho so a na o afi na wanu ho enti ebraso say awofo nyina bagi atum say abof mafra na nyame de won akyeye no ye hwe wo mo de amanyame because mo ye nyame so ejapade enti se bibia ni a na ya to ye boase se sie ya abofra wa frumi asem na etuntwayo se woni aban anya asem ebia enkenye we na si ya kada bia obekwa aba ama obi bi kakra obenya de ato adwane de obenya se sie abufu nti se abufu na ba yo se bibi nso na wo konum yo se dem pa na ma papa yes ana de wo fa mu bia ma wo yes ana se asuntwa ye se na ye wo se bia wo kuma akwada na ma asam no so bibi atwa ani afekra na ni wan hanya mu no because say aban sutunu bedi na nyonyo
and that's chicha aban bedi na nso washirwadi Ben yankoi.
Hello everyone, I am Benita Bimabwate from Apostolic Golden Jubilee. Today I'm coming to recite a poem. My poem is entitled Ghana's Golden Glow. Ghana's gold and warmth around. In Accra Street, cultures found. From Volta Hills to coastal shore, a nation rich forevermore.
Opemsuo.
Cloth waves vibrant tales. Drums beat loud. Traditions prevail. Ghana's smile. Treasured rare. A West African game beyond compare. Thank you.
And that's papa. I'm your man who I wear Ghana man. Media already adum yen nanum dia adum yen abofrey. Ayi adi no. Kienso mu na iwie se yefe na betimi aboa abrabo. Gagana kienhu chire yeda. Iso ba ade borbori. Oshiraye na fiso waye. Yedina ye ready na ene unianum no. Emrana omeye de wo se muye no na yenhwe.
Gentlemen, today I stand before you to argue that it is right to take advice from your peers. Motion. It is right to take advice from your peers. I argue for. Peers can offer unique viewpoints and experience, broaden your understanding. Peers may have similar challenges and experience, making their advice more relatable. Taking advice from your peers fosters teamwork and open communication. Peer support and guidance can boost self-confidence. A group project in school requires diverse ideas and perspectives. By taking advice from peers, you can gather different ideas and approaches, leading to more innovative and successful projects. A student struggling with a math concept finds it easy to understand when explained by a peer who has recently grasped the concept. A young athlete improves their game by taking advice from a teammate who has experienced the playing same position. I remember working on a group project where one of my peers suggested a unique approach to presenting our idea. Initially, I was hesitant, but their perspective ended making our project stand out, and we received great feedback. This experience taught me the value of considering others' ideas and approaches. While peers may lack expertise, they can still offer valuable insight, encourage critical thinking and fact-checking to mitigate biased opinions and misinformation. I understand that some may argue that taking advice from peers can lead to misinformation. However, I believe that with critical thinking and fact-checking, we can mitigate this risk. Some may argue that peers may lack expertise, but I believe that peers can have unique experience and insight that are invaluable in certain situations. I'm not saying we shouldn't take advice from your parent too, but sometimes we should listen to our peers, not more than our parent. Peers can offer diverse perspectives which can be just as valuable as experts in certain content. Peers can be valuable resources, especially in areas where they have expertise. It's essential to evaluate advice critically and consider multiple sources. Taking advice from peers doesn't mean blindly following it. Use your judgment. Peers can offer diverse perspectives, relatable insight, and valuable guidance. By considering their advice, we can foster collaboration, build confidence, and achieve better outcomes. Let's embrace the power of peer advice and work together to achieve greatness. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes, my dear.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm also Vanessa Essien from Apostolic Golden Jubilee, and welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. And I also stand against the motion that we should take advice from our parents more than our peers. The truth is, parents have a deeper understanding of life, relationships, and decision making. They have been through ups and downs of life, and their guidance is rooted in love, care, and a desire for our well-being. Peers, on the other hand, may be influenced by emotions, peer pressure, or a desire to fit in. Our parents are our roots, and their advice is the foundation we stand on. And also, since we were born, our parents know our behaviors and how we are, so we should always take advice from our parents. Our parents are our roots, and their advice is the foundation we stand on. Let's respect and value their guidance. Above all else, think about it. Would you rather take advice from someone who is still figuring out things? Parents have more life experience and wisdom, making their advice more valuable. Thank you.
It does, Papa. Padem can you amount of money?
Me person make us say, for advice in free and down for honor. And yes, I shani and tear foot and free mammy ho. Now so a tom rebia, see a coy mammy no munchenia. Ye coy mammy no munchenia. Near per se ye tea somewhere wanting. It's on social media benti. Ye who be ye per se ye because of curiosity ye per se who dear womb potting tia say ni say a sin tea a coy mammy no more. And you'll be an a beca. Obe go straight to the point. I can't say no actual. Inti se obe school so adamfo bi wo hono ma or no san internet sintin aha ban internet ninti
Tintan
fidie ninti onim de kakra fa ho nti na ono susu aka actual e na e bia se
ma me de won fiu
Mammy, the
old crowd, we be see.
Aye, on canning in antro. And so I don't for no deal, be pepe, macabi, biacha. In Tiana, me see, in tea, foot and free, I down for.
Yep, I show you.
Pacho, the amusement making nanny say, it will say a foot or free. Your mammy no near papa mo chain, yen down for fro.
I didn't
say, yen now for 4 be brain now. se o ka wa asem trom na so pe so ma futu a ebi mo ho no ma futu obone na wo ma me nom so omuni mabrabom omafa abrabom nti ombeka bibi atro na omo fiti so omo wo ye no omunim how I sitie ene nyoma ayeye nti ye katro mo a omo be obema ye futu a ye beti ase a ye be koye adiponi bia enye
yati yes nkwane yes no antru tremon kan mo ne be yade 1 2 3 mo ye 9 okay mo amu na gitum se mo kan asem no enchira afo mansa so sister wanye bi onyawo wonku ade osi enko kan che adamfo nwotwe si enkan che mawe nyame nhyira mo ate said ya wo kanu adamfo bi wo a kwa obefa so a kira asem na kire no ebekum ebese wa brabo what I say but before si chem yonko na mchi osuban said ya ti tintin fidie mu a mudi so agro no some baby what I say obechirem kama eni ya to TikTok wa some obechirem achiro no obema reference cry we call the quotation beto aso enso be kum na wu gofo bi conversation me stress anka bia me nim ye ba ya ba ko fun be di me ho ba na edi nkomo na oja fun sama ba cho me ba na we fi no oja to ena mfa fun tin fa fun na ni hwa ade anam se awo fa ma me minimu pa onam siyo conversation no ecclesiastes baby na wode ye atwempra no phones you can you imagine baby o se boku sa hono inti eho ena odi quotation na ka hu ena omode eye conversation imagine inti would you see say wrong because when you someone or the so I say only you 14 years or the jinaso and or more conversation or phone so which we are we actually so as soon as I say then just say I was shocked and one of some menu I'm saying to me Metawana Amada am I dreaming I'm saying the way they no jina me when to me man all angles tie am the first be too fo am hu sasam no kore but omoboa sara na akatesi about someone what the iPhone 17 iPhone Pro Max 70 achiwa kwa ako just because of phone just ananu mu kwanti no akakrabi
who say empiripino de nti aya mofra no comfortable so mo no
watching who say ba ni atan ya gentle
na awofo no bebre adwen ye o mo
on se kire nka
se opese abofra no edi na asem so a ohun
ofisa ye hunhuna
ofisa ye hunhuna
ofisa ye funso
sa ehunhuna no nso
so
be pam akola na ye
si hwe
fi wunchen pam akola na fi wunchen se o meti wa futuo no nso no na esan so ye de di ehun hyenimu
so suro
wakọ bi kura no via wo fifie kura wakọ ba bi ne friend kola nyina so o me bibia bo se ontimi mba but I say ba asa wo for no ti ase se so wo pese akola o ka bibi na akola di wa asem no so o ka no so a so o ma akola no ti ase se asem na o dis no ese akola na initiate ni pem
will
na asem na o dis so ese o ma akola na nya anti ase se ebe bua no ewo
saint na wo so diso
na nya abatwe ni ka ehunhuna no
me de me bebo na ka kire
so
me de dam na bo na ka cho say ade a wo ye no wanya ya dam bu funa bo
and the
na me nyamoi me de aba ne to otwen
ya ba say akra ni didi na wo ka che ne say so wa ma
yes next person umra
wa ma ni nua ni bia oh wo de huna ai bia wo say wa anya bibia o ma na aduane ni
French to English
oh wa anya bibia o ma na aduane ni we know obede no aye oh asa wo de huna oh ba wo ka say oh wo de me judi minim wo sa kwa we so wo ti me yesi oh wo nse na wa ye
mati yedase ene awofo ye jijiriji ese ya ntentian mbonga no oba be akra bo ga imsa mama me maybe some mama na minim ansanda aso say no mu ka sa me no minim so mu ka sa me omo ejo mama me maybe some mama no na minim asam kronda da o nti sa mama no ka sa mfo na so twantro nti sa adam fo na kan ko atase any man will be so make a French na what they aba brofo inti yinti o pamcho mama kwaba
so ma
yena na mo ti say
amiado
but fa o che ni brama ni wanim kakra said o kasa etifu nyina bet mo me nkoi.
Hello and welcome to Opemsuo 104.7. My name is Lordina Osei-Kwatma and I'm here with my sister
Nana Majimai.
Today we are come to say some French words and their meaning in English.
Some French words and their meaning in English. Bonjour.
Hello.
Bonsoir.
Good evening.
Bonne nuit.
Good night.
À demain.
See you tomorrow.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Unya btebia na obi chro why unya bte kan 11 na moti.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Bonsoir.
Good evening.
Bonne nuit.
Good night.
À demain.
See you tomorrow.
Comment tu t'appelles?
What's your name?
Je m'appelle.
My name is
Aishante.
Nice to meet you.
Comment ça va?
How are you?
Ça va bien.
I'm good.
D'où viens-tu?
Where are you from?
Je vais de Paris.
I'm from Paris.
Par avion gris.
Do you speak English?
Je suis fatigué.
I'm tired.
J'ai faim.
I'm thirsty.
J'ai soif.
I'm hungry.
C'est délicieux.
It's delicious.
Pas de problème.
No problem. Thank you.
Merci.
Samamu. Samu not French no yes sir. Nijigana mdemede ba butimi akame enyina eneje. I Opemsuo Radio 104.7 oko Facebook Opemsuo Radio eno so benya na afi ye utie live so free efficacy Opemsuo yada wase yenya baabi angel ose obema edwuma ehwam na obi a ono ye frena na be banjo no obi tintia no no se cross mani pakro enti angel bra na beto yo no uwie pe na lodina etimi ni nanum so lorishia mo aba mai Frederica mababa news omuya na sports commentary so abana yede akwakugu. Hello
everyone, welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. My name is Angel Osua. I attend school at Apostolic Jubilee. I'm here to sing. Denyame shano na washurano obien sumendome onya David washurano atamfo ya madwen sankom meseno sera de ni wale sontino oya wantumi anseno adidie no beya bisine so onya meshira wa watamfo ya kwa nyame na maye hio nyame shira no na ye mesa ti se uye shira batia they watch your phone, we am me papa. Oh, been to me, say, dear, a join young coupon, de beer, donya me shirano, nafe. Sonya Mishirawa, Sonya Mishirawa, Washiraw, Sonya Mishirawa, Washiraw, there are dear Shirano, Nafa and Shirankwa. And unto me, dear me, yesu. And unto I am in Shiraba, she. What you say, Medim Kunim, not of which more time, up a pen ye that. Dear Diankwa, baby, I make a be an eddy matches, and no man, there was sign. Oswon to me near additional nonsense. Nyame na my hero, Nyame Shirano, na ya missa. To say, we ain't Shiraba, dear. Dear, what you have found, we and me, papa. Oh, been to me, no me, dear. A join uncle point Shirano, de bio. Do Nyame Shirano, na fayan Shiranqua. Shawatan for the same and baby, and measure moon, my dream bonnet, Nananya me, I was sure will be to mend on me. Shematan for the same and baby, and measure moon, I dream bonnet, Nananya me, I was sure will be to mend on me. To me, dear me, or else. I don't see why I'm in Shiraba. What you say, Medium Kunim, not unfortunately, Mutai, I'll be paying ye that. Dianya Diankwa, baby, I make a be an eddy matches, and no man there was sign. Or so on to me near Ravishan and send some. Yamen Amaya Rio, Yamin Shirano, Naya Missa. To say, we ain't Shiraba, dear. Dear, what you have found, we and me, papa.
That's it, Bonsam, a famano. Ampa na minim so be na kapela na sade usi to na die na jesa wo bo eyin wo mu mirikana odede no enyumu a manage ho pa metai yankopon ya madona minya program meta eto e wono kura obi a ho mfimfini na mede so media mi wo yesu enti wa ya mi nshiraba watro sama yen shirano bonefo no twini mutan opepa nyi ye ni adoye nkuwa bebi ebeko bi adi achi asantemai eno menu dia wasan oso ntumi ni wadin siwa ne ntentam ya na ya hwiu ya min shirani na ya yesa shese uyo nyame badia ni watro fa hono ya pepa nukure ya minshira bibiri kwa rade numu na bebi a obigina bia so beto dwom no osoro ensoro otunmu asori na uti a ni man me de mat otunmu asori rain Zion bigina betras na kanamti Zion ya wa fine emum aye sa yukwasi ada na otunmu
Meton was
Sunday school cry gift me. And na penifon will gift pa. Me boy.
Yeah, children's day meton.
And teacher say ye be na otodum.
Pachan.
No papa ko obi.
Pachan.
No mo advantage di.
Pachan.
Me kana kase ndunti ase ho. Omo so otodum.
Pachan.
No msisei.
Papa mpodi ameba mposhi mkrasa madi atamfone kampumbu mabem.
Yo. Na papa friend say. Kagwa de na sound.
Bismarck.
Oh papa, what friend Bismarck?
Kofi Bismarck.
Hey. Oh papa friend Kofi Bismarck.
Pachan.
A friend da Bismarck.
Pachan.
Nti say na come bi abem.
Kofi.
Oka Kofi anu bi abem.
Na so ka Kofi Bismarck obi abem.
Is a da Kofi Bismarck. And I'm so your friend say.
Ma brefi.
Oh no ya.
Pacha yet menshia
ya. If ya
Pacha debi.
Echira.
Pachan.
Okay. Nyame shira wona omo emwa na tumi na to so nse bebo. Right.
Oyo.
That's papa. afa edu so no na ebeja yefra no ama omo abeka news na fiya e commentary no atoaso na yapake yema na chese obi so abetoaso mo fra mo mountain e besere mo se abrabona mo boro eyewa na daachi odi be yi ano mo obi a eyewa nti mesere se ebibia bibikire wadwen kane no nankaja yawo busuafie twahia kase pa na ese ona na kan asma so kubisa maame e opanimu ofie nti asemwa yako na yakubisa no na afi nipa no akire yin sei ene wo ho na wanya futu ede ama ho na ni de akoye guess nti ama afutu no akoye bibia ho ye besere se insan enkofa na sankofa we nchi de biarada.
Welcome to the news at 12. We are live on Opemsuo Radio 104.7. My name is Lodina Prekwamponsa, together with my sisters
Frederica Inshapia and Larisha Bachidankwenimako.
You can follow us on our social media handles, Facebook and Instagram. And now, the headlines. Minority demands immediate resistance of anti-LGBTQ on other people.
Gender Ministry condemns viral video of children being forced to smoke, calls for immediate arrest of perpetrators.
South Africa declares gender violence a national disaster after protests.
Lead sponsor of Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill, John Intim Fojo, has expressed frustration over what he described as a deliberate attempt to stall the reintroduction and passage of the anti-LGBTQ bill in the 9th Parliament, raising the issue on the floor of Parliament. He criticized the continual absence of the bill from the other people, despite a clear warning from the Speaker that nothing prevents it from being led. Mr. Speaker, it has been six weeks since the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bills was featured on the other paper. The next day, it was removed, and some dispute reasons were given. A week later, the Speaker of Parliament gave a ruling that nothing prevents the bill from being laid. It is 5 weeks from the time the Speaker gave that ruling. He said that the silence around the bills was unacceptable. Since then, no attempt has been made this House to have the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill to ideal with the canker of LGBT devastating our norms and culture. And there seems to be a very, very, very conspicuous silence on this. Mr. Fujo warned that Parliament risks creating a damaging impression that the 9th Parliament have abandoned a bill that enjoyed overwhelming support in the previous Parliament. He demanded that the bill be restored to the other people next week. If it was oversight or error, it must be added to the other paper so that next week it is laid and presented for first reading because, on record, it has satisfied all the process.
The Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection has condemned a disturbing video circulating on social media in which several men are seen forcing a young boy to smoke a cigarette, describing the act as abusive and a clear violation of the child's rights and dignity. The ministry said exposing a child to harmful substances amounts to child endangerment and is punishable under Ghanaian law. According to the statement, the incident branches the Children's Act 1998
Act 560, which mandates that every child must be protected from physical, psychological, and moral harm. It also undermines the principles of Ghana's early childhood care and development policy, which seek to ensure that children grow in safe and nurturing environments. The ministry strongly cautions parents, guardians, caregivers, and the public to uphold their collective responsibility to protect children from harm.
South Africa has declared violence against women a national disaster following an online campaign culminating in countrywide protests on Friday. Women were urged to withdraw from the economy for one day and lie down for 15 minutes at 12 o'clock local time, 10 o'clock GMT, in honor of the 15 females who were murdered in the country every day. The state has refused to make the classification but changed tack after evaluating the persistent and immediate life safety risks posed on ongoing acts of violence. South Africa experiences some of the world's highest levels of gender-based on violence, GBV, with the rate of which women are killed 5 times higher than the global average, according to UN Women.
Ghana could co-host FIFA World Cup with Nigerian and Ivory Coast Sports Minister. Minister of Sport and Recreation, Kofi Adams, believes Ghana is capable of co-hosting the FIFA World Cup with Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire in the future.
The minister is calling on the government to consider plans to make that idea a possibility following FIFA's recent decision to award host right to multiple countries.
USA, Mexico, and Canada are the hosts for next year's Global Showpiece, while Morocco, Spain, and Portugal will co-host the 2030 editions.
Adams believes Ghana could follow similar steps with Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire. The FIFA are beginning to adopt a number of nations. It so may be, who knows. The next one will be Ghana, Nigeria, and then Cote d'Ivoire coming together to also host the World Cup, and it will be good, he said. Thanks for listening. We'll be back with more updates. I'm loading up Opemsuo together with my sisters,
Frederica Inshapia and
Larisha Bwachidankwenima.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Mami Rosemary Nyami Unshao Nukre Toda na amame bisi mikai maybe amame bisa bafia eno yesi akura no enya ye oba no ade de kura no beko be ma nsem edane mmabo nyame adom be ma no besisa akura no ko nenso sansa mafra ni swanti Opemsuo preji akura no esa de ma madano so nko tane nchen kopum se bedu bra abofra no betimi kura akoka cha no amsa ma ntimi trabi na obefo de nti na form sa emfa we intwato abebuofo mienu emma no wemema ti bacho mo mo abonto mo makama me bibetino mo ma watanenka mbamchenko
ya mama kwa baba Opemsuo radio 104.7 ya di abebu edwumadi ebrom medine Sandra Amoawisi mini nua ba
Kwanedo abojo opoku Minya kata wanite okata enu hu de
pacho me hwehwe
esanse mpanyimfo se na ya enso dae
de wato ya animu no ohia to pepa
ukotu so nua abojo se esi asensio si de
se ni frɛ ni chio ne yonku ni frɛ ni kwaya wonyina hwe amenem
onipa fo na kansenfo
me Sandra mitie kese magina dom enim dom ako age dom nsem safo ade akire dom timinsuro dom
aho afentuaka
empanimfo se okraman said your okraman tena ne fie wono sara na agimi foti no magimi sem ho
woni mo wa aya hwenna
so de ngube so okraman
ya kan me disqualify no nka ho so one can ye can kind of illness and a mood back on the count. One for Sabiana to one can ye, my disqualified. Into sense saying what rope. Saying young queen.
What then we saw a cramming crum amanata fred and cafasun and umpilacum.
Sama obububa ehun so bedwa enyu.
Obakwasia.
I and also disqualified young queen.
Enya Adriani Joba John Kwan ye Jojo one a young son ya by and so I own.
Habwa shira o hwe de kase ho na wanwene ne bon.
Enya bibi na ye bibi ama bibi aye bibi anka bibi nye bibi ma bibi nye yi.
Obanya asani di kosua na obokasem.
Openi jeriwe na nsu asa.
Preko busa ni maami se aden na ahune so sa o ka chen se obenyina beto.
Ade na ato akosi eji ani ama amoni mu ahwaye mobo nka boa petete se ode nka wafane abronoma.
So ko to so
see her to serve and also disqualified.
Ewiafu focha wadroma ana hia kwanhia.
Abua na ntwe osu onimseni rade na kwa sreso amana kofuntu masasa nka wende na chia nkwa sreso adidie.
Yedamasi.
Yes, that's papa mum some no disqualify. Kopeni fia na ububa na ohwe bana ubu eyi papa na beno na bre ya ya che osidi ko Facebook you na be Filippo kwa abrekase na so din check see edika was a fantastic show. Keep it up. And we are greetings to my daughter Frimpong Manson and also my mother Auntie Mary of Geneso. Auntie Mary Obaba Maunu wachiani baba anu achiana mami chiana baba anu achiana mami sane papa nkamu bra nyami unshao. The last one Yanko
Yama kwa baba Opemsuo Radio 104.7 ene dwumedie a eye commentary de bremi me am di dwumedie bremi from Sandra Amoawisi me ni nua bema
David Sena Iteos
ene match a ehyeso so eye Madrid ene Barcelona players ebobo ne Madrid ye keeper ko to a one na dama Madrid abrante ye friend Kylian Mbappe oya striker ma Madrid afi ye wa abrante bi ye friend Alexander ono so bobo ne ma Madrid sa afi ma Barcelona ye wa abrante bi ye friend Pedri obo number 7 Madrid obo number 7 ma Barcelona ye wa abrante bi enso ye friend Lewandowski ono so bo 8 e ma Barcelona dwumedie ne hia se na referee na ba abenim basa enne nkofo medical share dwumedie na se abrante efen Lewandowski abobo na meninu abema Pedri obede ni watwe baako nanso da bi abrante efen Kylian Mbappe ache ne se bondo ni mboyie pa waje bono ono so bede ni wahwe ninu abema efen Vinicius Junior obede ni wabobo ne ten abrante efen Lewandowski nso waje bono obede ni ono so abobo nse se bono trashe a trouble against Barcelona. Abrante ye friend Kabaja on ebetu bonesim wato bona ma Abrante ye friend keeper courtois on e da bona ma Madrid Abrante keeper courtois so tuma Abrante ye friend Bellingham number 5 player a obobo ne ma Madrid on so ato bonesim Abrante ye friend Kylian Mbappe number 10 player of Madrid wache bono baako mienu miensa na so Abrante ye friend Lewandowski ka chene se bondo ni mboyie pa nto no so amfa bona anche no oje no hwe ni nua be ma Lami Yama so ache ne se bondo nye pesemi nkum nye nto no so je bono hwe ni nua be my friend Pedri bede ni wabobo ne tentin se bon attraction to bon trouble against Barcelona. Say Abrante your friend Vinicius Junior on a right wing ama Madrid wato bon ne tentin amani nua be my friend Bellingham obede ni wato bon baako nanso Abrante your friend Lewandowski ba beji bon efli Lami Abrante your friend Lewandowski beji bon efli Kylian Mbappe when to me anya hwe say bon no Abrante your friend Pedri obede ni wabobo ne tentin say bon atrashe say bon trouble against Barcelona. Abrante your friend Kylian Mbappe ono na tubo na sim watobo na ma Abrante friend Bellingham number 5 player a obobo ma Real Madrid watobo ne ten so ball near throw ball against Madrid. Abrante your friend Lewandowski, wato ball no, or the wato ball ten say ball no at say ball near free kick against Barca. Abrante your friend Pedri, which Abrante be your friend Vinicius Junior. They say ball aye changes, Abrof never can substitution. They say you Vinicius Junior film at the Abrante your friend Chouamani. Ababe Shaboni. They say Chouamani number number 8 player ama Obabe Vinicius Junior 9. Obede ni Chouamani soon a Abrante on boni boye pan. Obede ni watobono or the amakipa toa on a dama on a double on a Madrid on a swat to bono or shane in your bema killing mappy obede ni or bobon 10. They say born near corner ball against Barcelona. Abrante friend Lewandowski echiro musebono ni boye pant omo metekano wato bono. They say Abrante friend Chouamani on the ball right corner nema womo. They say Abrante friend Chouamani wabobon 10 so keep an up ball to action. They say ball near bona trash. Say ball near trouble. Abla Chouamani 2 ball ni sim pepe pena my referee or honum catchum say born abana wie omo the second half never sheshe suminu be man be to adwuma die so amaye
Opemsuo referee na bobon ma branch ndi page pass bona mani nwa efen lami yama nso be de no watwe ba ko nso there be a branch ndi Trent wa ba je ball no onu so da mani nwa di Vinicius Junior onu so be de no nso da ma clear mappy onu so be de no da ma Alonso nso anya pese min kuno nso da ma keeper Courtois bobo no tin nso da bi a branch ndi page wa ba je ball no or the many new Ransford in Subedi and you, what you back, you mention to the man Lewandowski, or Mako menu on the Bonaman Lami Yama, should have a clear mappy, or the man Lewandowski, Abobon, you go.
You go, dear upon. Everyone, and I be over some a good yapon. I'm afraid you did can hear a oba and the autoson so a bema. And a baby macquine, ama ye de a need media a sea and a tea, you were sorry. Na so will be a betiano and Chia will be a betiano.
Oh, dear. Say escape free Ghana match ya St. Anne's my students na makacha will say women they be a body back I am Monty Opemsuo Radio 104.7 Amoawisi program. Ever that will be
yeah, that's it. And you about Joe and a fee say SK and Anglican Golden Jubilee School and the Brown on part. The American is a lab of fire who see. Now, be blue or bit me a boy and I'm not ye. A radiation beer. But it will be not a Yamba Apostolic Golden Jubilee. But it will be my name Yamba China and a pa. A radi on can't eat